Make a great choice today with the 2017 6 Series. The mission of the BMW 6 Series is to cover lots of road in a hurry while making you look and feel great. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come take a test drive today.